Hello everyone, I am Brianna and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be setting up another week in my Designs by Planner Perfect wide TN. I'm semi-uncertain on how I'm going to decorate this week. I have utilized a lot of the Cocoa Daisy items in my planner so far. And my thought is to really use just Planner Perfect. I need to figure out how I want to do that though. These are the 4 washies that I have out. I am aware that this smaller one is not Planner Perfect, it is Cocoa Daisy, but I'm thinking that if I end up using Write a Better Story, that those two go the best together. I know that I said that I probably wouldn't use this one, but since I want to do just all Planner Perfect, I might have to use that washi on my pages. I mean, it's not horrible. It's just, I don't know if I want Write a Better Story everywhere. So I want to kind of play around with it and see what would look best. And then I do want to use up a lot of these stickers. I know I've used some on my pages already this month, but I do want to use more. I also made the decision that this is my last week in my August planner. I know that there are enough pages to do another week in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So technically I could use 4 of these pages back here, but I just think I'm ready to switch to the September planner. It is just so cute and I am ready for fall. I know maybe not a lot of you are ready for fall, but I am. So I think I'm just ready to move out of August. This is a beautiful planner and I just loved all of the colors that I've used. Let me do a quick flip of this last week because I haven't shown you after the pen. This is what I ended up with. I liked the colors that I used. They all went really well together. I put some stickers down. I just liked the setup. And I really did like how I had the to-do section. That helped a lot. And here is Saturday and Sunday. We are on Sunday today. It is the 20th when I'm filming this video. So that is how the week turned out. I could just flip through this book multiple times. I love the themes. I love the colors. So let me try to create something that I'm gonna love for this week using all of Planner Perfect. I'll be back when I'm finished and we can chat about it. Okay, let me show you what I've done. This was kind of hard to figure out. I didn't know what stickers to use. I used up all the Cocoa Daisy ones that I really wanted to use, but then I said that I'm gonna use Planner Perfect, so I tried to look back at previous Planner Perfect stickers, and these are the ones I found. This little kitten is cute, so I just threw him there. I ended up lining the page, or half of the page, with this smaller washi. I saw that in the fans group, I believe it is. So I thought, why not use it? I'd love when everyone shares what they're doing, because we can just use ideas that we like, and if we don't like them, we don't have to use them. So same with what you're seeing here. Maybe you might see one thing that's like, oh, I like that, and then the rest you don't like. That's okay. Anyway, so that's what I did. I kind of lined the page there. And then I did use Cocoa Daisy, these date stickers and day of the week stickers, but the rest is Planner Perfect. I filled in what we have to do this week, minus dinners. I'm still in, like, for dinners, it's that day of is when I'm like, okay, what should we have? So I really do need to get better at meal prepping or meal planning, not prepping, but like planning what we are gonna do. One day, you guys, one day I will be there. So Monday, my son has challenged, and I'm gonna drop him off this week. It is a drop-off program. I stayed last week though, just so that I can see what it's all about. And this week it's fine. I'm just gonna drop him off. Tuesday is a busy day for us. I have a CC tutor meeting, piano, speech therapy for my son. Nothing going on Wednesday, and I'm gonna keep it like that. It's gonna be our down day. I need to get ready, or I need to get my kids ready for camp. They are leaving on Thursday for a father-son camp, and they'll be gone till Sunday. My house is getting cleaned on Friday, and that's about it. So what I did on the daily pages, I just threw down washi, wrote the date, and then those main important things that are happening, I put them down so that when I go the morning of and I kind of plan out the day, I know that there are these main things that are going on. And then I just wrote dinner. Dinner I was having over on the side for a while last week, and then even, so I don't know. I put it down lower on the page this time. I found that I needed more space here. I was doing it like mid, and then I didn't need a lot of space for the evening, just because we don't do much in the evening. It's kind of just like our chill time. So I wrote it down there, and then my to-do list, I just write in day of. So I'm really happy how it turned out. It's just kind of this random theme, but it is going to be enjoyable. And I like that I used these two washis because those were my favorite this week. All right, you guys, if you have any questions, let me know below. I am excited for this coming week, but you guys, I'm also excited for September. So I have a video that's going to be coming out after this one. It's just like a September chat of all of the items that I have for September. I kind of show you what I'm going to use. I'm excited to show you, and I'm excited to be in my September planners. The next time you see me do a plan with me, it's going to be in my new planner. And I'm just ready for fall. So anyways, you guys, I hope that this week is a great week for you guys, and I will see you all next time. Bye.